Hot rasam, plain rice and pickle. Can anything beat this comfort food? Let's make today hot and tangy tomato rasam from homemade rasam powder and fresh tomatoes. I have put water on the boil. To this, I am adding 4 tomatoes with crisscross cuts on one side. Also, add 2 green chillies and 1 tablespoon of tamarind. We will let this boil for 7 to 8 minutes. The tomatoes have softened up. It's time to strain. You need not throw away this water. Reserve this stock to be added later in the recipe. Let's grind the boiled tomatoes, chilies and tamarind. The puree we are preparing now is the base of our rasam. The tomato, chili and tamarind puree is ready. Let's strain this. For making rasam, you can use ready-made rasam powder or even better, freshly ground homemade rasam powder, which I will show you next. In a heated pan, I am taking 2 teaspoons of split Bengal gram or Chana Dal. Roast the dal for 2 minutes. Once done, we will be roasting all the whole spices one by one. Take the dal off the flame once roasted. Next, half teaspoon of whole black peppercorns. Peppercorns are roasted. 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next, half a teaspoon of Fenugreek Seeds or methi. And lastly, 1 whole red chilli. Red chilli is roasted. Let's grind the spices. Freshly ground rasam powder is ready. For the tempering, in a heated pan, I am taking 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil heats, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the seeds crackle, add a pinch of Asafoetida or hing, 1 whole red chilli, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 12 to 15 curry leaves. Saute for 30 seconds. Next, 3 crushed garlic cloves. Saute. Add to this the tomato puree we made, the leftover tomato stock or 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of the freshly ground rasam powder we prepared, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and 1 tablespoon of jaggery. Stir this. Let the rasam boil for 5 minutes. Tomato rasam is ready. Some fresh coriander for garnish. And we are done. I know your mouth is already watering. What are you waiting for? Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.